Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sustika Parajuli and I'm back with you more MCQ videos. So today we are going to discuss about the important 50 MCQ for the license exam. So let's start today's session. The first question: the common complaint of women with uterine fibroid is A. Sterility, B. constant cramping pain, C. urinary dripping, and D. menorrhagia. And the right answer is A. sterility. The second question: after delivery, the production of milk is stimulated by A. oxytocin, B. progesterone, C. prolactin, and D. estrogen. And the right answer is C. prolactin. The third question: the control of spread of disease is an example of which level of prevention? A. community prevention, B. primary prevention, C. secondary prevention, or D. tertiary prevention. And the right answer is A. primary prevention. The next question, the fourth question: the antitubercular drug not to be used in pregnancy is A. rifampicin, B. streptomycin, C. ethambutol, and D. INS means isoniazid. And the right answer is C. ethambutol. Final question: a nurse is conducting a general survey on an adult client. The general survey indicates A. conducting detailed health history, B. appearance and behavior, C. measurement of vital sign, and D. observing specific body symptoms. And the right answer is A. conducting detailed health history. The sixth number question: uterine prolapse causes is A. multipara woman, B. heavy weightless state, C. dysfunction of uterus, and D. congenital defect. And the right answer is D. congenital defect. The seventh number question: which of the following is measured as a good personality? A. total quality of person, B. physical appearance, C. mental capacity of person, and D. behavior of a person. And the right answer is A. total quality of a person. The next question, 8 number: one of the component of in-service education is A. evaluation of client, B. skill training, C. taking theory classes, or D. providing clinical teaching. And the right answer is B. skill training. The next 9 number question: the primary purpose for the regulation of nursing practice is to prevent A. professional standard, B. public, C. practicing nurses, and D. hospital. And the right answer is B. public. The 10 number: which of the following is indicator for need of oxygen in neonate? A. skin color, B. respiratory rate, C. pulse rate, and D. blood pressure. And the right answer is A. skin color. 11 number: the most appropriate location to assess the pulse of infant under 1 year is A. popliteal, B. brachial, C. carotid, and D. radial. And the right answer is B. brachial. I would like to give the bonus point for this. Most of the student would think that the carotid will be the answer, but in the near the carotid the pulse cannot be palpated for under 1 year of age infant, because the subcutaneous fat will be more accumulated near the neck, and the pulse cannot be identified as it at the most appropriate side will be only the brachial, not carotid, because most of the student would tick in the carotid, but it is not relevant for the infant under 1 year. The right answer will be brachial. Okay guys, and the next question, 12 number: an induced abortion A. produce few psychological effect, B. occurs without apparent cause, C. occurs with mechanical intervention, and D. is always illegal. And the right answer is C. occurs with mechanical intervention. The next question, 30 number: as a preschooler, the 4-year-old response to hospitalization is influenced by A. belief in supernatural, B. fear of separation, C. fear of bodily harm, and D. belief in death. And the right answer is C. fear of bodily harm. For the next question, 40 number: lowest blood pressure is in A. capillary, B. vein, C. vena cava, D. aorta. And the right answer is C. Benakawa. 50 number, the first topic the diabetic client should be taught is A. Weight loss measures, B. An exercise program, C. Diet control, and D. Survival skills. And the right answer is C. Diet control. Thank you so much guys for listening to the MCQ session. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon and keep watching for other more update. Thank you so much guys.